The relocation of hawkers from Khyndailad has been delayed as the Meghalaya government failed to issue the required 30-day notice mandated by court order, Cabinet Minister Paul Lyngdoh revealed today. While the November 25th deadline could not be met, Lyngdoh assured that the process is progressing but refrained from committing to a new timeline. The Urban Affairs Department Committee has stated that notices will be issued within the next 30 days, following which further steps for the relocation will be undertaken.
The need, as per the court order, the need for us to give that window period of 30 days notice because of our inability to issue those notices in time. We could not meet this November 25th deadline. So it'll be just a matter of months. It is happening. It is happening. That the communique from the Urban Affairs Department itself mentions that we will complete the issuance of notice within a period of 30 days, after which we will take the next step.
Mission Director of DREAM, Francis